The world of information technology is progressing daily, and different conferences are held worldwide, familiarizing people with recent innovations in the field. ICRA is the International Conference on Robotics and Automation, which holds 7,000 participants from 95 countries. Today in this video, we will tell you about some amazing robots that will facilitate us shortly, and we got to know about them via this conference. Let's get started with Boston Dynamics. Spot Dog. Boston Dynamics came with their robot, Spot Dog. You can automate typical inspection duties and data collection with Spot, a mobile robot that can move around uneven terrain with unparalleled mobility. On the construction site, Spot was seen climbing over, walking, and unlocking doors. Additionally, it was shown to transport up to 14 kilograms or 30 pounds. Animal. Animal is an independent, four-legged, tough robot made for inspection and manipulation duties. When climbing over barriers, ramps, and gaps, or squishing into small spaces, Animal's legs offer unmatched mobility. Rain, splash water, wind, snow, and dust don't stop it from performing dependably in challenging indoor and outdoor conditions. It can work in rain, snow, wind, wet spaces, dusty surroundings, and other adverse weather conditions by using sensors to scan the landscape and detect obstructions. Ghost Robotics. Ghost Robotics creates unstoppable, elegant, and all-weather autonomous four-legged robots, quadrupedal or QUGVs, that outperform wheeled and tracked vehicles in challenging areas with unstructured terrain. They have a position in various government and business applications where four-legged mobile robots have an inherent advantage over wheeled, tracked, and even bipedal systems. They can use our specialized blind mode operations to keep traveling after any slip, fall, or failure. They do not need operators' instructions. Unitree Technology. To comply with industrial requirements, Unitree is looking into classifying the cooperation between robot dogs and a robot arm. The robotic arm is flexible and light. It increases the almighty robot dog's power. Additionally, the CEO of the business stated that improvements to intelligence and cost control are being made. A company called ClearPath Robotics also presented their robots used to carry loads from one place to the other. Tiago Robots. Tiago robots were also present at the conference, used in hospitals and nursing rooms to do minor tasks. They demonstrated doing the supply of medicines and helping put gowns on patients. Robot Digits. Digit is a humanoid robot that has been created to move more dynamically than other robots. Its agile limbs and sensor-filled torso enables it to maneuver through challenging settings and complete jobs like package delivery. This was created by Agility Robotics, the firm that created the bipedal robot Digit, and in the near future, it will be the first commercially available humanoid. Soft Hand. A soft hand is a robotic instrument that can detect items using computer vision, internal strain and force measurements, and robustly grasp objects. A system that conducts grasps on its own, and a soft hand can recognize items and firmly grasp them based on internal state measurements. Its drive system is based on artificial tendons and was created for industrial applications. Mobile platforms. Agile X Robots has created a complete lineup of robotics chassis that are leaders in the industry and completely satisfy all standards. They are capable of moving both indoors and outdoors while hauling 150 pounds. They may also ascend and move forward. Hyundai displayed its selection of robot products, including examples of how the new Plug and Drive (P&D) and Drive and Lift (DNL) modular platforms may be used in various situations. Additionally, it displayed the just unveiled Mobile Eccentric Droid, MOB-ED. By putting together a pre-engineered collection of components, this mobility platform lays out a vision for simple configuration and speeds up the development of new mobility concepts. Beyond Honeycomb. A robot chef that the Korean business Beyond Honeycomb claims is capable of learning new dishes in just 48 hours was on display. According to the business, the AI-driven chef can replicate the flavor and texture of dishes made by professional chefs. To democratize cooking is their goal. The basic caddy robot can only move at a set height of 30 inches and cannot collect objects. It can also rescue specially made trays off tables and worktops. These trays can handle up to 10 pounds. Using feedback from its actions and experiences, reinforcement learning, or RL, a form of machine learning technique, enables an agent to learn in an interactive environment by trial and error. Through trial and error interactions with its surroundings, reinforcement learning, or RL, enables a robot to autonomously determine an ideal behavior. Incorporating this technology, robots will be able to shield themselves from the obstacles coming their way. Birobotic systems were also a source of attention, as they could do tasks more precisely than single-machine robots. The Biomimetic Robotics Laboratory at MIT aims to create and manage robots by drawing inspiration from the natural world. Many animals can perform amazing feats of speed and agility, inspiring the group's robot designs. They also made robots that can help humans wear clothes even. However, working with these robots is similar to working with inexperienced humans. Scientists use machine learning to store data in the systems about these tasks. Gel Sight Fin Ray. Researchers at MIT created a robotic gripper that can manipulate items using innovative gel sight fin ray fingers. Two adaptable fin ray fingers make up the gripper, which conforms to the shape of whatever it comes into contact with. As standard in the industry, flexible plastic materials created on a 3D printer are used to assemble the actual fingers. The fingers employed in soft robotic grippers often contain supportive cross struts along the length of their interiors. The camera is affixed on semi-rigid support on one end of the hollowed-out cavity, which is lighted by LEDs. Some of the most popular are robot vacuum cleaners and kitchen robots. But nowadays we also have robots which are used to cut the lawn in the garden or clean the bottom of the pool, robots which clean our windows or which can even iron our clothes. But in ICRA 2022, Dyson presented some compact robots like Stretch and manipulators. The Stretch RE1 was created by Hello Robot, a business established in 2017 by Drs. Aaron Edsinger and Charlie Kemp. It consists of a gripper, computer, sensors, and software, and is a mobile manipulator. The gripper features a handle for a vacuum cleaner that is detachable and may be used to clean items like couch cushions. The gripper may also hold rags to clean spills on countertops, so it incorporates contact detection for surface cleaning and drawer opening. It can open the washer's door and move clean laundry from the appliance to a basket. It is designed to handle various items with diverse sizes, textures, and forms, including spoons, eggs, and game controllers. That's all for today's video. We hope you people enjoyed watching it and found it inspirational. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned so that you can stay updated when we come up with more exciting content soon.